So here is a very easy and delicious recipe for pasta. I actually made a version of this a few years ago on my channel, but I'm going to use a few different herbs in this version, and I hope you can give it a try. If you like mushrooms, you are sure to love this. And it's so easy because it comes together in just about the same time that it takes you to cook the pasta. So I'm going to use a couple of ingredients from my garden, like shallots, and I wish I had grown more shallots this year. I have just been using these up, and I just love shallots. And so I'm also going to use a fresh herb like tarragon. If you don't have French tarragon, basil would be a very good substitute, or chervil would be good as well. And then I'm going to use ingredients from a grocery store where I really enjoy shopping. It's called ALDI. And so from the grocery store, I'm using linguine, and I'm going to use some mushrooms. I'm using actually about 3 packs of mushrooms because my family loves it, and this is going to be enough pasta for 4 servings or even more than that. And then we'll need some butter, some heavy cream, a wedge of Parmesan cheese, some balsamic vinegar, and a clove of garlic. So I prepped all my ingredients, I sliced my mushrooms, I grated my cheese, and I minced my clove of garlic. So these are the ingredients for you. You're welcome to do a screenshot with your device. They'll also be below the video if you would like to print them out. So I started my pasta water, and so while that was coming to a boil, I popped my mushrooms right here into a dry pan on about medium heat. And I just want to cook these until they start to get some color on them. I covered them once in a while, and so I guess I cooked these about 5 to 8 minutes. And then I put my butter right there in the center of my pan. I started with about 4 tablespoons, and that was way too much. So I removed that and then added my shallots, which were rough chopped. And so I want to sweat out those shallots pretty good. And again, I covered them. And now in goes my clove of garlic. And we just want to cook this about another minute. And make sure to season it well. Give it a really good pinch of salt. And in goes the balsamic vinegar, and we want to reduce this by about half. That should take about 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. And now in goes the cream. We'll just incorporate that into the mushrooms. And now for the Parmesan cheese. You can save a little bit of this to put on top of your pasta when you serve it. And then just turn off your heat or remove it from the heat, and then just add your fresh herb. And now my pasta was done because I was cooking that in the background. And we just want to toss that right around into the sauce, and we are done. So I hope you can give it a try soon. It's one of our family favorites. And thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a beautiful day.